I'm Angela Tenner with Legrand rAVe here at the E4 Experience in Dallas, and I'm going to show you some of our latest products from Chief. This is our Impact Kiosk. This is on the wall. We do have an outdoor version that we just launched. We also have an inside freestanding version as well. We're showing some of that here on the graphics. Super cool way for digital signage. That's all the rage for any of your customers. And we also have our proximity plate. This can go behind any display. It's mount agnostic. You can put any of your devices into these little clips here and nicely store them behind any display. We have our new Fit series that we just launched from Chief. So if you've got a price-conscious installation that you're worried about still having some of the features from Chief that you know and love, we've got this option for you. This is our RLF3 series from Chief. And then we're going to take a little walk over to our friends at Samsung who are helping us display our Voyager cart. This is our newest cart option from Chief. It's very sleek, nice aesthetics here. You can do up to a 75-inch display and 175 pounds. Very nice casters on our cart, and we've got lots of storage options like our storage shelf here where you can put remotes or any cabling. We've got a storage panel here, and then we also have storage in the back of the cart. Show you our nice handles to pull the cart around, and then our nice storage plate here that's hiding all of the stuff that makes this display work. For more information, visit us at legrandave.com.